what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today is day 22 of my 100 Days of Makeup Challenge, and it's this really fun pink cut crease with a bright pink glitter liner. So it's really easy to do. I promise you're gonna be able to do it in like 2 seconds flat, and well, maybe not 2 seconds, okay. Okay, maybe 30 minutes, but it looks really fun and it's really wearable, I think, and you can switch it up with any color that you want, which is awesome. This would look amazing in any color since it's kind of a monochromatic look, so I think this would look great in blue and purple and green. Basically whatever you're feeling, just copy the techniques in this look and you can definitely recreate it. So if you want to see how to get this look in pink, please keep watching. Alright, we're going to start with our Urban Decay Primer Potion, like always. Now we're going to go in, let's see here. I'm going to start with my fluffy brush from It Cosmetics. I've rubbed the number off of it, but it's just a general round fluffy brush with the color Electric from the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. And I'm just going to start putting this in my crease. Basically, you just want to blend until this color is diffused and pretty because it's just going to be our base color for this pink. So it doesn't need to be crazy. Just basically just lay it down in there so that it's easier to blend out our darker pink into a gradient later on. So when you feel pretty happy with that blend, I'm just going to go in and clean up the top here. In case you go a little bit too high. Just like that. And now I'm going to take this small fluffy brush now. It's kind of flat, but it fluffs out when you turn it to the side. And I'm going to be using the shade Dippy in the same palette. If you watched my Sunset Halo Eye tutorial, this is very similar to the very beginning of that one. You're gonna want to start kind of etching that wing too as you get over to the edge here. And you're gonna just slowly start blending this out. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to take this original fluffy brush to run over the top just a little bit. I don't want to do it too much because I don't want the gradient to go too high, but just enough to make sure those edges are nice and blended. Now, take a flat brush, looks like this, and we are going to put our concealer on it and cut this crease like I do every time apparently now. That's been my thing. Taking some concealer on the flat end of this brush and I'm cutting this whole thing. Okay, so now I'm going to just hop off really quick and cut this other one. Okay, so now we are just going over top with the color Trixie. And it's just a shade that's just about the same shade as my skin tone, but with a little bit of shimmer. just to set this sticky concealer base here. That's just really metallic and super pretty. It turned out prettier than I thought it was gonna be, actually. Okay, so now we're going to do the eyeliner, which is my most exciting part of this look. So we are going in with two different eyeliners today. First one is going to be the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Heartless. And it's just this really pale pink. And then we're gonna go over top of the entire thing with the Heavy Metal glitter eyeliner in Junk Show. So let's get started, shall we? Basically, you're not really going to see Heartless. What it is for me, and you could skip this step if you really wanted to, is an outline and base for the winged liner that I want to do with the glitter liner. And I can just see the shape enough here that I'll be able to go over top of it with the glitter liner, and I'm not guessing. Yeah, you can just barely see it. I don't even think you can see it in the camera, but you can just barely see that on my face in the mirror. Okay, so now I'm gonna trace over that light liner with Junk Show. That is so pretty. I'm gonna be pretty generous with my glitter application today. I want it to really stand out. So now I'm gonna let that coat dry, and I'm gonna do 2 coats of the glitter on both eyes so that you really get so pretty. I'm gonna go over here. Not messing around with the glitter, okay? Perfect. Ooh, that's so pretty. Okay, so that is looking really, really good. So glittery. This is taking me back to my show choir days. Fun fact, we actually used this exact Heavy Metal liner. I mean, this is a new one, but this was the color in this Heavy Metal liner shade that I used my sophomore year of high school in show choir for a competition season. So it's a throwback, that is for dang sure. Okay, so I'm gonna hop off and let this dry, and I'm going to apply my lashes. So I'm using my Sosu Kylie lashes from Primark. Whoop, there you go. And they're just really spiky and pretty, so I'm gonna hop off, put those on, and then we will come back on, finish the lower lash line, and get some lipstick, and be done with this situation. I actually lied, it's dry now, but I wanna do my lower lash line before I put my lashes on. So I'm gonna take that fluffy brush that we used before with that same electric light pink shade, and just run it underneath here. Okay, now I'm gonna take the little brush that we used for the hot pink, the Dippy shade, but really close to my lash line. Now I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk on my waterline. So nice. Okay, now I'm going to hop off and do my lashes. Okay guys, so my lashes and mascara are done. Let's get this lip on. Let's do it. Okay, so I am going to be using the Urban Decay Vanished lipstick. It's just a really nice nude sheer lipstick. And actually, I forgot to my inner corner highlight. So I'm going to be using the shade Spirit. And it's just a white shade with like a purple pink reflect. Oh, and that is perfect on the inner corner. Yep. That is so nice. Okay. I'm just gonna actually top a little bit of this on my cheeks. Perfect. Now I'm going to go with my Dose of Colors lip gloss in Dolly, and it's just this really pretty light pink shade, in keeping with our pink theme. It's just so light and nice. Okay guys, and that is our finished look. I hope guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button if you want to see more videos. I do upload every Monday and Thursday, and today you guys know is day 22 of my 100 Days of Makeup Challenge, so be sure to follow along at my Facebook and Instagram, which are both at Blonde and Ambitious Blog, to see every day of my 100 Days of Makeup Challenge. It goes all the way through October 31st, which is Halloween, aka my favorite day of the year. So let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments below, and let me know what you guys want to see next, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!